Welcome to this week's Thai Kitchen, the series from my Thai cookbook. This week I'm going to make a beautiful fragrant minced pork with lashings of chili and fragrant basil. And the ingredients you will need for that beautiful fragrant dish are as follows: minced pork, chili, garlic, oyster sauce, soya sauce light, chili jam, oil and fragrant basil. Right, first thing up, a nice hot pan, oil, lots of chili, hear that frazzle, just what I like, lashings and lashings of garlic, yes, this one, already kicking the back of my throat. Some chili jam, which is on my dip section. Yeah, so chili jam as well. So this one, my friends, is very, very, very spicy. Ooh. That is already kicking the back of my throat. Ooh, look at that. Oh, those aromas are simply divine. Ooh. You ever wonder how I survived Thailand with all these chilies? Well, to be quite frank with you, burnt a hole in my stomach lining, practically. Ended up in hospital and had to go one whole year with no chili. Now, for someone like me who is a complete chili lover and living in Thailand, that was painful but worth it. I've toned it down a little now. I mean, this one is a very spicy dish and I want to show you how it's actually done Thai style, really, really spicy. Now look at those, the garlic's getting crispy. That's ready. And you should get a slight kick in your throat when you do this, if you do it right. Look at that. Minced pork. And all those flavors infused. If you haven't mastered a wok, go and buy one. They're a lot of fun. Yeah. And it's great to show off with your friends, especially when you can shake and stir. Shake and stir. When I lived in Asia, I always used to shock my Asian friends when I had the balls to get on a wok station and have a bash, because that is a hard job, I tell you, especially those big woks are very, very intense, hard labor is that one. But hey, you can't live in Asia like me for 15 years and not learn how to use a wok, right? Wok is the good in that, folks. Wok is the good in that. Yes, I know. What a prick. Now, as spicy as this is, I'm going to let my daughter have a bash. She's getting really good with her spice tolerance. I have to say, better than my missus.
Dad, I like the smell.
I know, it's lovely, isn't it?
Yeah.
My little foodie. Well, you're going to come and join me for a little taste later on? Those flavors.
The smell go in my nose.
Yeah? How does it feel when it goes in your nose? Scratching your nose. Yeah. But haven't you noticed how easy are these Thai dishes? Surprising, isn't it? Yeah? Thai food is remarkably quite simple, but you just need to know how to master the balances of the salty, the spicy, the sweet. Yeah, that just takes a bit of practice. But once you've got it, folks, Bob's your uncle. This was always my passion about traveling, getting mixed in with the locals and tasting all their food and trying to do it local style, you know. See, it's nice and nice to get. Haven't had a drink, I promise you. The colours are starting to come out now. Look at that. Look at that, folks. Look at that. Right, we are ready for the rest. Spring onions. Now here's the thing. Don't be shy with the basil. You'd be surprised. Basil and chili go together like a marriage in heaven. Fragrance and spice really goes well. And can you believe I learnt the base of this dish? It's called lap, yeah, from a Frenchman. Bloody Frenchman, can you believe that? Ex-rugby player, 6'6". Antoine was one of my chefs that I worked for, and learnt a lot from this guy. He made this dish for me, and I hadn't worked in Thailand at the time, and I was so blown away by all these flavors. Fell in love with it. And then having to live it, look at that. And then living there and learning all these dishes for myself firsthand was just spectacular, folks. Right, there you go. Now we're ready. Oyster sauce, soya sauce, right on the last jiffy, yeah? Not too much, otherwise salty, yeah? Yeah, there you go. Toss that together. Wonderful, amazing. Oh, look at that, folks. Right, plating up. Look at that. Wonderful.
Okay, now the smell is nice.
Yeah? Divine. Look at that, folks. Look at that. Look at that, folks. Look at that. Now my favorite part of any dish is what?
Is that tasting?
This is tasting, right. I'm going to taste first, okay? Because it's spicy. Ooh. Careful. What was that?
Spicy, I want to get some water.
Spicy? You go and get some water, go on. How's it taste? Spicy? Is it good? Yeah? We'll come back and tell us if it's good or not. Come on. This is from goat. This is from my Thai cookbook called The Thai Cookbook. Wicked Wild Thailand, with over 100 recipes. Of the dishes that I learned on the road with over 60-70 motorbike trips that I did in Thailand at the time. I took diaries of those trips, thank goodness, and met some incredible people, wonderful people, who taught me lots of incredible dishes. This is one of my favorites. Not all my favorites, but this one is just a notch above the rest. And wow, some hairy scary stories of my life, having to deal on the work side with corrupt bench suppliers, death threats, snakes in the office, and all that kind of crazy stuff. No, yeah, it happens a fair bit. It just depends on how you deal with it, I guess. But there you have it. If you want to purchase a book, you can click on the icon, the chef shop, at the end of the video. And before I go, how was the taste?
Good.
Speak up.
Spicy.
I heard that. Was it good or not?
Yes.
Yeah? Do you want some more?
No, thank you, please. Because I have to take some more water and
A bit too spicy, I think.
And my tummy is gonna hurt.
Alright. New videos every week, so don't forget to subscribe by clicking here, right over my shoulder. Thanks for watching, folks, on this nice sunny afternoon. Bon appetit.